Hey, it's Trevor with the original Granite bracket today, giving you one of our best sellers, the free hanging shelf bracket. Literally hundreds of thousands of these hanging all over, and your project is next. Maybe you're putting a floating shower bench or a floating shelf or a floating vanity or a floating whatever, right? This is going to be the bracket you need with the most strength that you could ever imagine. A few things you want to make sure you grab. Get a tape measure if you don't already. I'm sure you do. Get a level, a drill. A number 3 Phillips bit is what fits our screws the best, and let's jump in. So today we're hanging an 18-inch shelf, so I ordered an 18-inch free hanging shelf bracket. Now, as you can see here, when it's mounted in, right? So if I go flush here and flush here to mount it in, right? You're gonna lose 3 inches. So there's gonna be 15 inches for this one, will be 15 inches exposed. That's good because you want a little bit of space between the bracket and the end of your shelf or the end of your countertop or whatever it might be. Now, here's the good news. Maybe something got a little bit off on your project and you had to tweak something. Hey, listen, if you have it here, this is where we suggest it. You always have at least an inch of play inside the wall to move it however so it fits perfectly for your project. Now, let's get it mounted in. All right, here you go. You want to make sure you have it in here. Make sure it's flush here, flush here. Again, if you need to move any leeway, any of that kind of stuff, you absolutely can. I went ahead and pre-marked this one. This first screw is the hardest of all of them. And honestly, once you get that, it's really not that difficult. But once you get that, you are absolutely coasting for the rest of your project. All right, I bring the bracket back to the screw like that to hold it, and then boom, ready to roll. All right, so I have all 6 screws in now. It is ready to go for you to finish your project. The big question everyone always asks, how much weight can this hold? Before I show you that, make sure you order yours today with the originators and countertop support. And if it can hold me, which you will see it does because your boy ain't missing a meal. Look at this right here. My God, but I'm just here. Just whatever you are putting on this thing, you're going to break the stud before you break our bracket. I promise you. Make sure you order with us. If we can help you in any way, reach out to our amazing customer service team and we will do so. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps.